Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
children.
morning, ma'am.
Yes, now I can
Good
hear you
morning,
all.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am. Good
One
morning,
moment. Give
ma'am.
me a second. Now let me mute,
Good morning,
admit everyone.
ma'am. Good morning,
One
ma'am.
time.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. Good morning, children.
Good morning,
Good morning, everyone. Okay. So, children, shall we begin the session with a prayer? Everybody stand up. Stand up, all of you. Stand up, all of you. Let me see everyone. Are you all standing up? Yes or no? Yes. There are few more children getting admitted. Yes. Stand up, all of you. Join your hands. Yes.
Join your hands.
Close your eyes. Yes. Give me that smile. Okay. Ready? Join. Okay. Let's do the prayer. Huh? Our dear Father in heaven, we thank thee for this wonderful morning. We surrender each one of us into thy hands. Dear Father, bless us, guide us, guard us, give us thy spirit, give us thy knowledge, give us thy wisdom, so that we may serve thee. Dear Father, bless our parents, teachers, and all our friends and their families. Bless the hands who make food for us. Dear Father, bless the people who are suffering from coronavirus and are but treating them. As my little children are going to learn and write today, bless them to understand what they learned today. We ask all these things humbly in thy precious name. Amen. Open your eyes, everyone. There are people waiting. So, yes. So, all my children, put your hands down. Put your hands down. Now say a nice good morning. Good morning, children. Good morning. How are you all? How are you all? What will you say? I am fine. Thank you. And ask ma'am also. How are you, ma'am? Ma'am, how are you, ma'am? Thank you. Thank you, children. Okay. Now what now? Everybody give me a beautiful smile. 2 kgd, all are sad. I'm not going to take the class. Smile. Only with the smile I will stand. Johays. And when you're tired, all like a baby, you're sitting. All big chetans and chechis are here. UKG children. Only in LKG you are babies. Now you're all big chetans and chechis. Sit properly. Sit properly. Sit straight. Yes. Yes. And give me a nice smile. All my UKG chetans and chechis give me a good smile. Ah, that's nice. You all can smile so well. I didn't know. Ah, nice smell. All chetais and chechis are ready. Ah, Alankrita, nice bindi you put. Like letter I. Nice. Jewel, are you squinting? Jewel's mummy, is your screen too close to her eyes? Parents, you always take care. Many of you are sitting properly. Some of you are sitting close to the screen. That will affect their eyes. And one more information, after the class, no, after I finished my class, immediately don't keep them writing. Take them out, okay, out from the video screen. Take them out to the outside nature. Let them look at the greenery for some time. Let them observe the green color. And then bring them to the home and give them the writing part. Because too much sitting in front of this screen is not good for your child's eyes. Okay, so after the class, you can take them out to see the greenery and then bring them back. Let them play for a while and then you can give them all the writing parts. Okay, okay, thank you. Now, all my children, you know what today Nancy ma'am has come with? I have brought a friend to class. Who is this little friend? Who is this? You like this rabbit?
No.
You didn't like? You didn't like? Like it? Yes. So, what color is the rabbit? Tell me, what color is the rabbit? White. And what is the speciality about the rabbit? He has got 2 long ears. He has got 2 long ears. Okay. Ears. Okay. And he has got teeth, 2 teeth, sharp teeth. He has got sharp teeth in the front. Okay. And you know what is his favorite vegetable? Carrot. He loves to eat carrot. What does he love to eat? Okay. So today, before I start the class, I want everybody to stand up and hop like a rabbit. Stand up and hop like a rabbit. Let's hop. Stand up, all of you. Put your hands. Stand up, stand up. We don't have time to waste. Parents, ask your children to stand up. Put your hands on the head and stand, and let's jump. 1, 2, 3, start. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Aiden, Jinal, jump, jump, jump. Alankita, Sam, Dhyan, Madhav, jump, jump, jump. How does a rabbit hop? Yes, jump, jump, jump. Not on the bed. I can see some of you on the bed jumping. Don't jump on the bed. You're going to fall down and break your legs. Stand down on the floor and jump. Not the chair, not on the table, not on the bed, on the floor. Jump, jump, jump. Yes, so nice. Okay, now I want you to listen to the song which I'm gonna sing. Do you like it? Okay, now I can see everybody jumping with the hands like this. This is how the rabbit hops. Okay, and you know what? Rabbit can run very fast. It has got fur in the body. Sharp teeth is there. Okay, long ears are there. And rabbit is kept as a, now sit down all of you. Rabbit is a pet animal also. Okay, one day I had a rabbit. Okay, I had a rabbit. I put him near my gate. Okay, and he was sitting there and enjoying his carrots. I gave him carrot to eat. He was eating the carrot. And that time a fly came. What is a fly? Eater. A fly came. It was rounding and rounding. And slowly he came and sat on the nose of the rabbit. Mr. You know what is the name of my rabbit? He is Peter. Little Peter Rabbit. Okay, my Peter Rabbit did not like it. A fly came buzzing. He came and he sat on the nose of the rabbit. He didn't like it. So when some flies come to your nose, what will you do? You will flip it, no? You will flick it with your hands, no? Same way, my rabbit also, he flicked it and he flicked it and it flew away. It went off. The fly went off. So I'm going to make a small song with that. With that, listen, okay, and let's do it together. Here we go. Little Peter Rabbit had a fly upon his nose. Little Peter Rabbit had a fly upon his nose. And he flicked it and it flew away. He flicked it and it flicked it and it flew away. I'm going to sing it fast. Listen to me. Little Peter Rabbit had a fly upon his nose. Little Peter Rabbit. Parents, are you using, any one of you are using Bluetooth speaker? The sound is echoing in my ear. What I am saying, it is getting repeated. Please keep the Bluetooth speakers away from you so that it doesn't give me a disturbance. Thank you. Don't put your speakers near the gadget. Keep it away because it gives disturbance for me. And some parent is talking. I'm muting everyone. Okay, listen. Little Peter Rabbit had a fly upon his nose. Little Peter Rabbit had a fly upon his nose. He flicked it and he flicked it and it flew away. He flicked it and he flicked it and it flew away. That's it. Shall we sing together? Everyone? Everybody sing with ma'am. Parents, see to that they are not unmuting their mics. See that they are singing with me. Okay, if you all of you unmute, there will be a lot of disturbance there. Don't do it. Keep your mics muted so that everybody could hear in your house very clearly. Okay? See to that your children are singing with me. Okay? Yes. So here we go. Little Peter Rabbit had a fly upon his nose. Sing. Little Peter Rabbit, little Peter Rabbit, little Peter Rabbit had a fly upon his nose. Sing. Little Peter Rabbit had a fly upon his nose. He flicked it and he flicked it and it flew away. He flicked it and he flicked it and it flew away. Shall we do it one more time? Okay, sing with ma'am. Little Peter Rabbit, little Peter Rabbit. Say, little Peter Rabbit had a fly upon his nose. Little Peter Rabbit had a fly upon his nose. He flicked it, and it flew away. He flicked it, and it flew away. Yes, you like it? Okay, so today Nancy ma'am is going to... Okay, I know you enjoyed, like how you enjoyed peel banana. Okay, learn these words. Today I will send these words, okay? Now let's read it. Page number 15. I will say, you please repeat. Parents, please make note. After this class, you can make them repeat. Now listen. Rabbit is a pet animal. Say, children. Rabbit is a pet animal. Rabbit is a pet animal. It likes to eat carrot. It likes to eat carrot. Repeat. I want everybody to repeat. Parents, please watch your children are repeating after me. It likes to eat carrot. It lives in burrow. Where does rabbit live? Do you know? You all live in the rabbit hole. They dig the soil. They dig the soil. Okay, they make a hole and they live in the burrow. Okay, and they stay inside the burrow. They keep their babies also there. And you know what is the baby called? Bunny. The baby is called Bunny. So let's say that. Rabbit is a pet animal. It likes to eat carrot. Vaiga say, it likes to eat carrot. Jewel, Aiden. Yes. It lives in a burrow. Adia. It lives in a burrow. Shall we repeat one more time? Rabbit is a pet animal. Say, rabbit is a pet animal. What does it sound?
Listen to
Okay, let's repeat. Repeat after me. Rabbit is a pet animal. It likes to eat carrot. It lives in burrow. The baby is called Bunny. Baby is called Bunny. Okay, thank you. We finished that. Now Nancy ma'am is going to show you a number. You will tell me what number is that. What is this number? Evania, unmute your mic. Aiden, unmute. Sita, mute, unmute. Asia, unmute. Dave Abraham. Helen. Thank you. What is this number you see? Number? What is it? Okay, I want few children to unmute. Okay, I want them to speak. Shrisham, unmute your mic. Adia, Rahul, unmute your mic. Okay, what is this number you see? See number? 6. What is this number? Number 6. Okay. In this card, you tell me how many pencils are there. Shall we count? Let's call this. Stop. Before we count, wait. S, I, X, 6. S, I, X, 6. Let's count the numbers of pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Now I will show you how to write number 6. Okay. Now I will show you how to write number 6. Watch the screen. Don't write. Watch the screen. Okay, look at the screen. I'm going to show you how to write number 6. Please watch. See, you make a C curve, go up and close it. Make a C curve and go close it. Okay, what's the spelling of 6? Yes, I-X, 6. All of you write 6. Parents, I need the papers to write 6. Make a C curve, go close it. Make a C curve, go close it. Make a C curve and 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 close it. This is 6. Children, look at Nancy ma'am. Look at ma'am. Have you practiced 6? Now I want you all to show me the 6. See, I want you all to show me the 6. Are you ready to show me the 6? Yes or no? Yes? Okay. The ones which you wrote, show me the 6. Beautiful. Wow. Very nice, Risha. Oh, so that's not babies anymore. Yes? You're not LKG kids. You're all grown-ups. Show me the 6. Aiden, Jinal, don't sit like this in the class. Show me the 6 which you wrote. Yes, Rituparna, Alankrita, yes. Beautiful 6. Patrick, show me. Advait, Fahim, good. Eric, Sam, Nesta, Adya, Vidika, yes, beautiful 6. Srisha, Evania, Drisha, show me a 6. Aida, Eman, show me. Anvin, show me the 6, Anvin. Rituparna, Alankrita, Richard, yes. Beautiful, nice 6. Yes. Oh, that's very nice. You all, Gayatri? Yes. Okay. Thank you, children. Sam, you're not writing anything? Where is Sam? Eric Saji, show me the 6. Your grandma is seeing the 6. Is it that correct? Yes. Show me it is upside down. It is ulta now. Turn your paper. Eric, turn your paper. It is up. Yes. Good. Everybody, super 6. Okay, thank you. Now, I'm going to share the screen again. Children, please look at the screen. Now, Nancy ma'am will show you what to draw out of 6. You want to watch what you can make out of 6? Look at the bird. Parents, ask them to stop. They have got 6. I want them to draw a picture with 6. Ask them to watch. Children, this is 6. But don't close it. Go inside and coil it. Make a coil. Okay, you write 6, go inside and make a coil. Okay, now watch. You make the right curve and close it. Who is that screaming there? Mute your mics. Close it. Then you can make a right curve, sleeping line, and close it. Now you make an eye, and you can make the, this is snail. Shall we draw one more time? Make a 6 and make a coil, make a right curve, again a small right curve, sleeping line, close it, make an eye, and make 2 antennas. Okay, this is snail. Did you write? Did you draw this? Show me. Show me on the screen. Snail. Everybody show me the snail. Show me. I want to see on the screen. Snail. The snail you draw. Advika Pranav. Dev Sharang. Beautiful. Dev Sharang. Beautiful. Advika, great. Helen, it's glaring. I cannot see. Helen's mother, please help her to show it. It's fully white. I cannot see. Yes. Yes. Beautiful. Beautiful. Everybody. Yes. Oh, that's nice. Please excuse me. I'm not calling out the names, but I can see the children. If I keep calling your names, I'm losing time. That's why. Yeah. Please show me. One more letter to be taught. Beautiful. Everyone. So very good. Keep it up. Okay. Stop showing. Keep the paper down. Keep the paper down. Now Nancy ma'am would like to show you one more letter. And I'm going to stop. Rifa. Okay. So all my children, stop writing and please look at the screen. I want everybody to look at the screen. Parents, ask them to stop and watch me the card because I'm going to show them the next letter. What is this letter? Letter V. Yes. What is this letter? Letter V. V. Yes. V for van. V for violin. V for vegetables. V for vegetables. Say one more time. V for van. V for violin. V for vegetables. Now, Nancy ma'am is going to show you how to write letter V. Okay? Please look at the board. I'm going to show you the cursive V. Before that, let me take the 4-line paper. Look at the screen. Look at the screen. This is the 4-line screen. Let's write V. Okay. See, I'm going to make a right slant, left slant, right slant, and a loop. Right slant, left slant, right slant, and a loop. This is letter V. Okay. How are we going to write? Right slant, left slant, right slant, and a small loop. Parents, you should tell your children to make a small loop. Otherwise, this V will look like a big. When they start writing joining letters, this will look like a E then. Okay. So this is wrong. Don't make it big. Tell your children to make it a small loop. Okay. Slant and inside out. Okay. I will show it on the plain screen. Then they will get it one more time. Only inside the blue lines they need to write. I will show you in the plain screen. Children, watch carefully. Please look at the screen. Children, watch. Right slant, left slant, right slant, and a loop. That makes it V. See? Letter V. Letter V. V for van. V for vegetables. V for vulture. V for vase. Okay? Yes, right V, all of you. Children, I wanted to show you one more thing. Watch this. This is capital V. This is small v. And this is cursive V. Okay? Cursive, smaller case V. Okay? So, capital V, small v, and cursive V. So, let's wind it up. Before we wind up, I would like to recall all this. Parents, ask your children to show me the screen. Show me in the screen what they have writing V. Children, if you have written 3 times, it's fine. Show me the paper. I would like to see the V. Yes, beautiful. Shrisham, excellent. Beautiful. Gayatri? Yes. Alrich? Show me. Yes, yes. Jewel? Beautiful. Drisha? Aiden? Johes? Show me. Anai? Dave Abraham? Anai and Dave? Show me. Anai, show me. Sam? Nesta? Nesta, not 6. I want your V. Nesta, show me the V. Okay. Children, show me your, show me your V. Okay. Okay, children, show me your V. Patrick. Yes. He's screaming there. Yes, beautiful. Thank you, children. Thanks for showing. Parents, thank you. I don't have time, that's why I'm not showing. But I can see all your children writing the V, okay? And thanks, children. Really, I love you all, okay? Because you know what? You're all writing it now, okay? That's so nice of you. Now, Nancy ma'am will wind up teaching you all what we learned right now, okay? Please look at the board. Please look at the board. Today, we learned number 6. Yes, we learned the spelling S-I-X 6. And we also learned the snail, how to draw the snail. Make a coil, make a right curve, make a small right curve, sleeping line and a curve, make an eye and make 2 antennas. That makes it a snail. Okay, now we also learned letter V. Tell me, what is this letter? This is capital V. This is small v. We also learned cursive V. Yes? Now, look at Nancy ma'am. We also learned about the rabbit. Let's recall fast. Rabbit is a pet animal. He loves to eat carrot. Okay, he loves to eat carrot. Baby is called bunny. Baby is called bunny. Then he lives in burrows. He makes a burrow and he lives there. Okay. So today in page number 15 you will learn about this, and letter V with the picture reading you will read all the vegetables, vase, violin, vulture, all that with the pictures you will read. Okay. Now I will sing the song for you and wind it up. Okay. Stand up all of you. Let's sing together. Little Peter Rabbit had a fly upon his nose. Little Peter Rabbit had a fly upon his nose. He flipped it and he flipped it and it flew away. Okay, so thank you all. Stand up and say thank you, ma'am. Okay, I'll send you the homework today. Bye. See you.